Hello friends, in this video we'll learn how to define the gravity load case. So we're basically learning how to do the pushover analysis in our building. The pushover analysis is done after we have finally designed the reinforcement for our building in order to check whether the structure that is safe as per the design standards can undergo inelastic deformation or not. After we design our building and finalize the reinforcement, we do the pushover analysis, right? So the first thing in the pushover analysis that you have to do is you have to define the gravity load case. So we'll learn how to define the gravity load case in this video. So for that, go to define and click on load cases. Alright, so over here click on add new load case and let us name it as gravity, right? Gravity. And so here load case type is static and analysis type it should be non-linear, right? And over here, so load type, let us go with load patterns and click on date, click on scale factor 1 and click on add. After that, add other load patterns also. So we'll add floor finish, click on add, and we'll also add live load. So scale factor should be 0.25 for it, and click on add and click on parapet wall load and let us do it 1 and click on add. So this 0.25 factor, so if your live load is less than 3 kN per meter square, in that case it is 0.25, and if it is greater than 3, then it should be 0.5, right? Okay, so again let's add partition, click on add, click on roof life, so let's give it 0.25 and click on add, and after that click on wall, scale factor should be 1 and click on add, right? Okay, so load application, click modify, and here so load application control should be full load, and so monitor displacement, so degree of freedom will give at u3, that is the vertical degree of freedom, and add joint 37, so we'll revise this joint in a while and click on OK. And result saved, will do multiple states. So minimum number of saved states, let's keep it as 100. To maximum number, let's give it 1000, right? And click on OK. Geometric non-linearity parameters, let's do p delta, and mass source will do mass source 1, that is our original mass source, right? After that click on OK, and again after that click on OK. So let us go to xg plane, and xg plane at y is equal to 0, right? The joint that we need to select should be somewhere at the mid portion. Okay, so we'll go to not xg plane but on this face, that is on the yz plane. Okay, let's select this joint over here, so roughly mid, so it's not mid but roughly. Okay, so let's right click over here. So first you have to left click, and after that right click, you will get the label as 43, and we have to enter this value on that one. Okay, so go to load cases and go to gravity load, click on modify now, and over here click on modify, so and over here we'll enter 43, right? And click on OK and click on OK and again click on OK. So this is how you define the gravity loads.